Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Oppo Reno 12 series is set to launch on May 23rd, but today I will be sharing the unboxing and first impressions of the Oppo Reno 12 Pro and Oppo Reno 12. You can find the detailed review video on our channel on May 23rd. Hey guys, Maiky from Maiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So, here are the boxes for the Oppo Reno 12 and Oppo Reno 12 Pro. Let's remove the plastic wrap and check the box contents. Inside, we find a SIM ejector tool, data cable, protective case, and an 80-watt power adapter with a Type-A output. This time, the transparent case has a different design. Now, let's remove the plastic from the phone and look at its design. Under the light, the screen looks different compared to the previous generation. In the previous generation, there was a curved screen, but this time, the Oppo Reno 12 series features a quadruple micro-curved screen. Under light, you can see that all four sides of the screen are the same. The selfie camera is placed in the center. The phone has a glossy plastic frame. Now, let's look at the differences between the Oppo Reno 12 and 12 Pro. The 12 Pro has a speaker on the top, giving it stereo speakers. The bottom placements are similar on both phones. The back of the phones has almost the same pattern. At first glance, the back of the phone looks silky and feels like it has a three-dimensional pattern, but it is actually flat. The edges of the phone are only slightly curved, and the back uses AG processing. The camera module has a different shape this time, featuring a triple camera setup. From the sides, you can see that the camera lenses are bumpy. There's a bump for the module and another for the lenses, but it's not too raised. Overall, the phone feels very good in hand. You can easily hold the phone with one hand as it's not too thick and is lightweight. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro weighs 185 grams and the Oppo Reno 12 weighs 179 grams. All four corners of the phone have an angle, making them feel more rounded, but the screen is actually flat. This time, there are quite a few design changes in the new Oppo Reno 12 series. The display has bezels of similar size on all four sides. The lower side bezel is slightly thicker, but overall, there's a significant difference in the screen compared to the previous generation. So friends, let me know in the comments how you like the new design of the Oppo Reno 12 series. You can also compare it with the previous generation. For a detailed review on May 23rd, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team to be the first to see the Oppo Reno 12 Pro review. So what you guys think about it, tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.